Let's take a look at our SplineScatter tool, revolutionizing object placement with precise distribution along spline curves. Effortlessly position trees, rocks, and other elements with intuitive controls. The Scatter tool enhances scene compositions by enabling users to place up to 6 meshes per layer into designated slots, granting precise control. Each mesh can be customized individually, providing flexibility in design. For instance, adjusting the colors of tree leaves is easily done by selecting the relevant mesh. This feature offers users a seamless way to achieve their desired visual effects and enhance the realism of their scenes. To use the SplineScatter tool for object placement, define the path by setting control points. These points determine the trajectory for scattering objects, offering flexibility in scene composition, whether it's lining up objects along paths, creating rows of trees, or positioning architectural elements. Precise spline placement is essential. Adjust control points to refine the trajectory and ensure seamless alignment. With careful placement, you can achieve captivating arrangements effortlessly. For additional capabilities, each mesh placed in the Scatter tool's mesh slots can undergo further customization by adjusting its properties in the Material tab. This feature enables users to modify material attributes, such as, for example, if you wish to change the brightness of tree leaves, simply select the mesh, navigate to the Material tab, and edit the properties accordingly. This functionality enhances creative control and allows for the creation of more detailed and realistic scenes. The density slider controls the concentration of scattered objects along the spline curve, allowing for precise adjustments to achieve your desired density. Whether you're creating lush forests or intricate roadways, the density slider empowers you to craft immersive environments with ease. Let's fine-tune our scatter and bring our scenes to life. Let's discuss the uniform scale feature within our SplineScatter tool. This functionality ensures consistent scaling of scattered objects along this, whether you're creating a row of streetlights or a line of fence posts. Maintaining uniform scale adds cohesion and realism to your scene. With this tool, achieving a harmonious visual balance has never been easier. Disabling this feature allows users to add randomness to mesh scaling by setting minimum and maximum scale values. The tool then applies random scaling within this range for diverse scattered meshes. By deactivating uniform scaling and defining a scale range, nuanced variation is achieved, ensuring each element appears distinct. In the SplineScatter tool, creators can intricately adjust the rotation dynamics of scattered objects by defining both minimum and maximum rotation values. This nuanced feature provides extensive control over the orientation of objects along the spline curve, allowing for the creation of diverse and authentic scenes with varying rotations. In the SplineScatter tool, users can adjust the width of the spline curve to control the spacing between scattered objects. This feature allows for fine-tuning the arrangement of objects along the spline, ensuring precise placement and customization. This control over spline width adds depth and realism to scene compositions.